Earlier today, St. Alphonsus announced it'll be buying 3 Saltzer locations in the Treasure Valley.
Some might consider this a revival of sorts, since just days ago, that last Friday, Saltzer Health closed down its facilities. And Jude Binkley spoke with St. Alphonsus about what the move means for Saltzer patients. Jude?
Well, Brian Morgan, there are 3 Saltzer facilities part of this purchase, 2 Treasure Valley clinics, and the Ambulatory Surgery Center off 10 Mile and Meridian. A major change is coming to one of the fastest changing parts of the Treasure Valley. St. Alphonsus will be acquiring 3 Saltzer locations just days after Saltzer shut its doors in Idaho.
We also thought that this would be an opportunity to work with them to make an orderly transition.
St. Al's CFO Lanny Checkett says the change in ownership will come with a change in signage for the buildings, but many other things patients are used to will likely stay the same.
Really, a lot of the employees and the providers or the physicians will be the same that people have been accustomed to. We're hoping that that'll be the case anyway. There's a lot in flux. We don't know exactly how many will be remaining with us, but I think a lot of it's going to look very similar in that respect.
As part of the deal, St. Al's will be acquiring Saltzer's 10 Mile Ambulatory Surgery Center.
We thought that that was an excellent way to work with them to make sure that there was continuity of care, that continued to provide the services that have been provided there.
St. Al's is also buying 2 of Saltzer's urgent care clinics, one in South Nampa and one in Meridian off Vanguard Way.
Those had been offering important services to 2 separate communities, and we felt like that made sense for those to continue.
Intermountain Health, Saltzer's parent company, made the announcement in January that they would be selling off or ceasing all operations in Idaho by March 29th, citing financial issues. Also on Monday, another health group, Intermountain Medical Imaging, bought Saltzer Health Imaging, which is at the Saltzer 10 Mile Medical Campus. And the 2 clinics will be closed this month while St. Al's changes out their systems and IT equipment. And the clinics are expected to reopen in May, and the surgery center will continue to operate without any closures. And for anyone impacted by Saltzer shutting down, the company says a number of other providers are staying in the area through other medical groups or with their own practice. And we do have a link with a list of those providers online at ktvb.com.
We need more places for people to get health care, not fewer.
Fewer options, yeah, exactly.